Okay, you've heard of a field of dreams, right? Well, in the car business, what I have is a parking lot of possibilities. Well, I'm going to walk you around and show you what a parking lot of possibilities looks like. So how about a 77 Chevrolet short van with no windows? We'll get it finished up one of these days. 69 Chevelle. Seats barely used. Runs and drives. Stops. 86 square body Chevrolet pickup. 4-wheel drive. Steering column partially assembled. That's a cop car, or an ex-cop car. I bought that for the drivetrain. I'll show you what it's going to go in later. What about Chevrolet panel van, 1970, 4-wheel drive. Then obviously a finished square body with a LS engine in it and overdrive. A panel van, currently used for storage. '73 Pontiac Ventura. I was going to put a GTO hood on it. Haven't got around to it yet. Redo it. This one here has a name. Patina Poncho. It's a hatchback. I bought it because it's a hatchback and a manual shift. 95 Firebird Formula. LT1 V8 car. Runs, drives, stops. All good to go. The paint is starting to leave the chat. 68 Oldsmobile 442 Post Coupe with air conditioning and power windows. Pretty rare car. 71 Satellite. That's a parts car. I got a buddy that would argue with me, saying there's no such thing as a parts car. 72 Roadrunner 340 car. Parchment interior, slapstick. Car came from Texas. Yes, the rare grille is in place. Thankfully. '72 Super Sport 454 El Camino. Needs a roof. Vinyl top car. The rest of it's real solid. Somebody put new floors in it. 71 Roadrunner 383 car in tawny gold. 71 GTX in dark green poly with a painted white top from the factory. Unusual piece. 440 car. 440 engine still in it. Matching numbers. Air conditioning. 65 Bel Air station wagon. Manual shift car. Runs and drives. 350. Manual shift on the floor. I've even got it licensed. GMC parts truck. 77 C10 Bonanza. Again, real solid. Hardly any rust on it. It runs and drives. Getting moldy sitting out here. Bonanza package. 68 Dodge D200 Adventurer. This one doesn't have any rust in it at all. It's a crazy piece. It's steps and doors and everything are real solid. Runs and drives 4-speed with a slant 6. 2006 Jeep. 69 GMC. This truck came from Nebraska. It's really solid too. 6-cylinder with a 4-speed and a Positrack rear. 85, I think. Chevrolet K10 4-wheel drive long bed. Walk over this way. There's a cat. 1971 Demon. 3-speed manual, 6-cylinder. And a 71 Duster. Apparently farm use only. How about those two? Because they're really solid. You see the fenders are all there, the quarter panels all there. This is a good one. Super Sport 350 car from California. Runs, drives, stops. Corvette wheels. What more do you need? Some of the stuff inside nobody ever sees. (1971) Le Mans GT37 with the GTO front end on it. Currently has a all aluminum block 5.3 LS motor sitting in it that we need to complete one of these days. This here is a 68 Camaro convertible, 4-speed. Up there is a 68 Charger 383 car. That is a 69 Super B 383 automatic white interior. And of course 1970 Bronco half cab, factory half cab. I've got 2 other rental units with cars in it, but this is what we got here. Say goodbye, cat. Totally forgot to show you what was around back. '69 maybe? Ford F100. This is what the engine goes in that's in the cop car out front that I showed you. And this is just a part Suburban I bought for the engine and transmission. In the shop, Getting really, really close to being ready to prime and paint this. This is a 72 four-wheel drive, 3/4 ton. It's Suburban. Javier's been playing with the Bondo for a couple weeks now, trying to get all the lines straight, everything fitted right. Made some patches for the lower quarters, replaced the wood plywood floor in the back, repaired the bottom edge of the fender well where it was rotted. It's got rear air conditioning. It's gonna be a heck of a truck. Jason's got a 63 Galaxy convertible. Get ready to get back on. I just ordered a pair of fenders for him out of Nebraska that are rust-free. And of course, it's a customer car. 67 Mustang. We'll be doing well, it is a process of being cloned to a movie car. Gone in 60 Seconds car. Got the suspension all mocked up in it. Got the exhaust cutouts mocked in. I'm going to do some body work today. Put the side scoop on here. Finish the Bondo work on the one on the other side. Jay's been working hard getting all the lines straight, everything mounted. It's a job making all this fiberglass crap fit. And the 442 that I painted, I don't know, a month or two ago. It's together and running now. Working on final assembly. Tubular suspension, disc brake conversions done. This compressor just mocked up. I realized we had the wrong pulleys, so I got those on order. That's getting close. Randy's got the vinyl top done. And then the Warlock. Test drove it the other day and had a bunch of smoke come out of the rear end on this side. Thought it was brakes. Turned out to be a wheel bearing that we had already replaced. Of course, it was a Chinese one, so it didn't last. Which I wasn't really done with it anyway, so Jay took the rear end out of the truck for us to put a positive traction unit in. So I've got a brand new carrier, all the shims and the bearings and the parts, and so the old carrier comes out, which was an open rear end, just one wheel peel, and we're putting the positive traction back in it. And then what else? And kind of the engine room. That's a 454 out of the Suburban 402, actually 402 motor. Just had the heads redone because it needed a valve job. All the exhaust valve seats were hammered out of it from running with unleaded fuel, I guess, over the years. So the Napa over in Columbia did a nice shave on the heads and replaced all the exhaust valve seats and did a valve job and cleaned them all up, got them ready to go. So those will go back on that, and then that goes in the 72 Super Sport El Camino outside with a Turbo 400. Yeah. That's up to date for this building and this lot. I've got a 69 Roadrunner in butterscotch and a 81 Z28 Camaro T-top car and a 71 Z28 in citrus green with black stripes in another storage building down in town. But I think that's about it. Somebody asked the other day how many cars I had around, so now you've seen it in person. Anyway, I'm not really just a dreamer. We actually fix them. We've been through several. I've fixed several cars and sold them. They've gone overseas. They've gone all over the country, the ones that we've done. A couple are local. Right now, I haven't really tried to sell anything. I've got several done cars. I guess I should show you them. Oh yeah, big block, 454, all rebuilt for the Suburban. Brand new 4L80 for the Suburban. So my 73 Corvette L82 4-speed car. I've had that car probably 15 years. 71 Buick GSX clone car, 455 with aluminum top end engine. This is a customer's. He dropped it off for us to put carpet and do some brakes, and I'll probably polish on it a little bit and do some touch up, but it's a Survivor paint job on it. He doesn't really want to lose. It's a nice car. Side pipes, of course. 4-speed. My 68 Firebird that you've seen in prior videos. Put a 5-speed in it and a 400. I did the hood gauges just because I can. 74 Corvette that I bought, I don't know, 2 years ago. It's reaching the finish line. I have to cut and buff it, and valve cover gaskets. And I think I'm going to put the wheels off of that orange gold El Camino on it. It's got those aluminum square slotted wheels for Corvette. I think I like them on that car. And this is the 68 Cutlass that I kind of put a Hearst tribute paint job on. And the Hearst cars were white with gold here. This car had jade green interior, which I'm really a fan of, so I wanted to do something complimentary. So we've got this forest green with a champagne stripe, and then I just custom made a lime, and I did a hand painted pinstripe on it. There's another video floating around of me painting that on there. But this will be next for reassembly once the 442 is done. And hood for the 442. And those are all basically parts for cars in the future. There's engines on the bottom, engines and transmissions. 442 wheels are going on the green car. My spray booth, got a nice Garmat heated bake oven. That's radiator support. I have to paint satin black for the 442. Got all kinds of stuff I got to do. Anyway, I guess you're up to date.